Is your Vizio TV not turning off? I will break down every possible reason as to why this happens and possible solutions as to how you can get over this predicament as soon as possible. Welcome to Bling Bling, let's get started. As embarrassing as it may seem to be, the most common reason as to why your Vizio TV is not turning off are bad batteries on your Vizio remote. But even if you have recently changed its batteries, there are chances of it having power relay issues. This can be fixed by power cycling your Vizio TV remote. A power cycle resets all the charges from within the system, essentially refreshing it from scratch. To power cycle your Vizio remote, remove its batteries and pop them back after a minute. If your batteries are leaking or aged, swap them for a fresh pair. While you're at it, it's also recommended to power cycle your Vizio TV as well. To power cycle your Vizio TV, unplug the TV from power and plug it back in after a minute. Malfunctioning hardware can also be a root cause of plenty of issues on your Vizio TV. The issues can arise from any hardware component, from a bad display to even a broken power supply. So, do a thorough check of the hardware of your Vizio TV and replace any faulty component, similar to how you can go through our Vizio content by subscribing to us. If there are any ruptures or cracks on the body of your Vizio TV, that's also a very valid reason for you to consult a technician, preferably from Vizio. If Vizio TV not turning off is a known issue and it's experienced by plenty of users, then there is a possibility that Vizio is already working on it and might have already pushed a patch. Fixes or patches like these are pushed by Vizio in the form of firmware updates. So it's always best to stay updated in the latest available firmware according to your model. To update the firmware of your Vizio TV, click on the settings button on your Vizio remote to access the TV settings. Then scroll down to All Settings and select Admin and Privacy. Select Check for Updates and confirm your selection. If Vizio TV not turning off is not much of a bother for you, and if you can easily unplug it from power, then as a cost-effective measure, that is something that you can stick to. But as a last step, I think that you should consider performing a factory reset on your Vizio TV. This will reset all your data and settings from your Vizio TV, essentially refreshing it and making it feel just like you unboxed it for the very first time. To factory reset your Vizio TV, click on the settings button on your Vizio remote to access the TV settings. Scroll down to All Settings and select Admin and Privacy. Select Reset to Factory Settings and select Reset TV. If your TV asks you for a parental code and you don't have one set up, you can just enter 4 zeros to initiate the reset process. And that's all I have for you in this video. If you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll make sure to answer them. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more smart home content.